In this video, I will show you how to set up NVIDIA Control Panel. The NVIDIA Control Panel is automatically installed on systems using an NVIDIA graphics card. If it is not installed, go to the website and search for NVIDIA Control Panel. Next, click Download the latest NVIDIA drivers for your NVIDIA Enforce MCP. Then, select the version that matches your graphics card. Go back to the desktop. Go back to your desktop, right-click, select Show More Options, then choose NVIDIA Control Panel. Now, the NVIDIA Control Panel interface will appear. First, go to Adjust Image Settings with Preview. You can switch to Use My Preference Emphasizing mode. If you want a balance between image quality and performance, select Balanced. If you prefer superior image processing, move the slider to Quality. If you want the smoothest gaming experience, move it to Performance, then click Apply to save the changes. Next, go to Manage 3D Settings. Depending on the graphics card, the available options may vary. One of the most important settings here is ambient occlusion. This setting creates realistic shadowing effects using complex lighting and color algorithms. You can disable this option to reduce the load on your GPU. Next is anisotropic filtering. Similar to the previous option, this controls the sharpness of textures. You can choose quality levels from 2x to 16x. Higher settings improve image quality but require more system resources. Choose a setting that matches your system's performance. Next is anti-aliasing, FXAA. This option disables anti-aliasing, which smooths out jagged edges in images. For the best object edges in images, enable multi-frame sample AMFAA. After making these adjustments, click Apply to save the settings. In the Configure Surround physics section. In physics settings, I will change it to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050, which will enable the GPU to process physics simulations. These are my recommended settings, but you can adjust them based on your needs. Stay tuned for part 2 to learn more about the display settings. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel, and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below, or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.